Another truck crash, lives lost, families left stranded, and too often no accountability. Today, I will show you exactly what the law says in Nigeria and the practical steps victims and families can take. Not just ranting on social media, but real legal action. Before we continue, let me say this. If you or a loved one has ever suffered from a road accident, my heart goes out to you. I pray for strength, healing and comfort for all victims still recovering today. Amen. So let's dive into it. What does the law say in event of a truck accident in Nigeria? Under Nigerian law, every driver owes a duty of care. If a company truck causes an accident, the company is also responsible, and that is called vicarious liability in law. Every vehicle on the road must also have the compulsory third-party insurance. That insurance is your first pocket or compensation. And also, for fleet operators, FIRS runs something that is called RTSSS. That is the Road Transport Safety Standardization Scheme. And if a company fails in safety training, driver records, or vehicle checks, that also strengthens your case for negligence against that company. Now, the first 72 hours after a crash is very vital. Here is what victims or families should do right away. First of all, call emergency numbers, that is 112 or 122. Then take photos and videos of the truck, plate numbers, the plate number, and the scene. Collect witness names and phone numbers. Then you ask the police and the FRSC for crash reports. Snap the insurance certificate if it's displayed, or at least capture the number plates for verification. Keep every medical receipt and get a medical report. In case of fatalities, insist on coroner's inquest and then start letters of administration early. Then next, building your case. To win, you need the right evidence. And that means police extracts, FRSC crash reports, medical records, witness statements, proof of income for loss of earnings, and dependency proof for fatal cases. Next, send a preservation letter to the trucking company quickly. That forces them to keep the truck, the maintenance records, the GPS data, and driver logs safe for inspection. Without it, key evidence might disappear. Settlement or court. There are three main paths forward. 1. You could negotiate early with the company and their insurer. 2. Try mediation at the multi-door courthouse. It's often faster than trial and binding once signed. 3. If the first two methods fails, you file an action in the state high court or the FCT high court. And remember, you can enforce judgments through garnishee proceedings on their bank accounts. Now, there are myths to ignore. Don't believe this myth. You don't need to wait for police criminal cases before filing civil claims. 2. If the vehicle has no insurance, you can still sue the company directly. 3. And more importantly, avoid taking quick cash at the scene. It can hurt your case later. Now, if you found this video helpful, share it. And if you or your loved one was hurt in a truck accident, download the free checklist and tool guide linked to this video. It could help you. It will give you a head start, and it could be the difference between silence and real justice. Thank you for watching Talk to Your Lawyer. Law made simple, rights made clear. Don't forget to share, follow, like, and subscribe to our channel so you could get more legal updates on matters that affect you.